is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I'm here to do a review on the new Beauty Blender Sweet Indulgence Sampler Set Holiday Collection. And it comes in this beautiful slide-out packaging. And the box looks like a Christmas tree. Puts you in that Christmas mood and you smell, I would say, candy canes. Ooh, candy canes. And you open the box and this is what it looks like on the inside. You get 4 beauty blenders and 4 cleansers. You get yellow, blue, pink, and green. So these is the colors that they came in, and they're full size. They're not the little tiny, because it also comes with 4 cleansers. Let me show you. Yeah, so it comes with 4 cleansers. They look like little candy canes, and these are what smell like candy canes. They all smell like candy cane. These are the Beauty Blender cleansers in the solid form. They come in these 4 beautiful colors that you see here. It just makes me so excited just thinking about Christmas. You can't help it. This is what they're looking like one more time. She called me the boss and me make she live the high life, so she feel nice. As far as the packaging, I would say it's absolutely fabulous. As far as the product, it's beautiful. I love the colors, the 2 new colors that they have, which is the yellow and the green, are 2 new never before seen colors. I love them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I love the idea of the candy cane cleansers. I love the smell. It's absolutely wonderful. I purchased this from the Sephora website. I paid $65, which I think is well worth the value. If you know one of the beauty blenders, they cost $20. So 4 beauty blenders for $65, that's an absolutely amazing price. And you also get the cleansers, which is absolutely a plus. I would totally recommend this to anyone who loves beauty blenders and who love getting their money's worth. This is definitely a steal. This is a Christmas gift to yourself, in my opinion. And I hope this video was helpful to someone, and if it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I do look forward to seeing each and all of you in my other videos. Thank you.